What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with Mikey Daily Carry, back with another EDC POV. I got a lot of good feedback about this new series, which I'm going to be doing on a weekly basis for things that I'm going to be carrying for a week. I'm going to try, but that's what I'm going to be doing. So let's see what I carried today. First off, right here on the left belt loop of my pants, which, by the way, these are the 511 Defender Flex Slim Jeans. Absolutely love it because it has so many pockets. But right here on the left belt loop, I have Exceed Designs carabiner in stonewashed titanium. Nothing really changed from my last key setup, but I did add this little S-beaner from Key Unity, which is pretty cool because you got this little clip here, which is also a carabiner in a sense, but you also slide keys and other accessories through this channel. So I have my IR2 Pro. What's cool about this is that it has two modes. It has a low mode and a high mode, and it's charging with USB-C, which is absolutely phenomenal. And I got that usually clipped right here on the left side. Nothing in my left pocket because that is where my phone lives. I'm recording the video with that right now. I don't have anything in my mag pocket, but right back in my left pocket, I do have the Cruiser 6.0 by Mike Cruz and MikeyDC. I also was blessed with some patches from Warrior Crest EDC. These are the Gundam patches. I have Zaku, I have Death Scythe, and then in here, what lives here is a pen, and this is the Pocket Pro by Big Idea Design. If you use Mikey Daily Carry at checkout, you get 10% off if you haven't used my code before. And by the way, I'm going to be linking all of these things that I'm carrying today in the description of this video, so you can find that there. I've also alphabetized all of my affiliate links, so that way you can just look through the description of this video to see if you can get some discounts. No charge to you, but you do help the channel out. Over on this side, I have suspended with this right belt loop here my AirPods Pro 2, and this is the green moss Andar case, all leather. In my fifth pocket, I have my chapstick. Nothing's changed. Got the Vaseline right here. Lip therapy, baby. I also have this here. This is the 887 Vigilant by Funky Forager Industries. Really love what Finn's been doing with this. It is a paperweight or a nice ring accessory, however you want to rock it. And I got that in my fifth pocket. Nothing in this right pocket here. In this back mag pocket, I do have the Pear Drop Leather Triari 2.0 General. This right here I have laced up with titanium EDC tools. Starting off with the light, I have a Olight i3T in titanium. I also have the Baseline Bolt Action EDC pen by Big Idea Design. I have the Pry Bar Stonewashed Titanium with magnet fidgets back here by Big Idea Design. And then I have my favorite knife of all time, my Zon Tonto, baby. Absolutely love this thing. This is my first grail ever acquired and my most favorite knife. That lives right in here and in my general case. Don't have anything else in that mag pocket, but in the back pocket, I do have this Hank by Renegade Provisions Co. So you got microfiber on one side, you got this pattern on the other side. Really nice for cleaning my glasses. And that's pretty much what's in my pockets. But I also wanted to show you guys my belt. This right here is the Groove Belt Ultra, which I absolutely love. This is something that I really wanted to show you. And this is a modular belt system by Clip and Carry. Now this lives on my right hip anytime I'm rocking a belt. And in here I have my Leatherman Arc, which is in this really strong Kydex sheath. I have the Rips Garage Tech skins on there that just clicks on, boom, like so. And then right here I have the extender for the bit kit. That's because I have the bit kit inside of my backpack, which was also living on this modular belt clip, but I took that off. And now I put my fixed blade on here, and this is one by Griffin Co. This is a Scout 2.5. They actually have a release of this along with the Scout Medic coming out on Thursday, I believe. So you can get your hands on this. And what's on my wrist? This right here is the Basecamp GMT by Monterey Watches. You use MikeyBA, you get 20% off their entire site. And this ring is also a ratcheting ring by Project Ratchet. Absolutely love it. This is the Ratchet version 2.0. The first one only ratcheted one way, but this goes two ways. That's what I got on my person today, and I'll be rocking this week. What are you carrying?